Week 4, Lesson 1, Language Structures, Adverbs of manner and adverbs of degree. Today we are learning more about adverbs. Adverbs tell us more about verbs. There are different kinds of adverbs. Before we start, check yourself and use the underlined words in these sentences to see if you know if it's an adjective or an adverb. In our word bank, we have the word extremely. Extremely means very, much more. You do something extremely. We are looking at two different types of adverbs today. The first one is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how something is done. For example, quickly, slowly, clearly, nicely. To find an adverb of manner, we ask the question how. Like adjectives, adverbs of manner can also be compared. For example, she drove carefully. Her brother drove more carefully than she did, but her father drove the most carefully of all. Secondly, we have adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tells us to what degree or how much. For example, she was feeling very ill. It was extremely hot today. We hardly had any rain yesterday. I ran so quickly in the race. If you can't remember how to use them, re-watch the YouTube videos on adverbs of manner and adverbs of degree. You are going to do this activity in your English workbook term 2. You are going to rewrite the paragraph in your workbook. You're going to underline the adverbs of manner, in other words, how, in the following paragraph. The alarm rang loudly. I got up yawning sleepily. So you're going to ask, how did the alarm ring? How did you yawn? The sun was shining brightly. How did the sun shine? I bathed and dressed quickly and went downstairs. How did you bath and dress? Impatiently waiting for breakfast, I watched the birds hopping happily from branch to branch. How did you wait for breakfast? And how did the birds hop from branch to branch? I could see my friend Timmy leaving his house and walking hurriedly down the pavement. How did his friend Timmy leave the house or walk down the pavement? I shouted a greeting loudly, but he was in such a hurry he did not hear me. How did he shout his greeting? So that is the questions you will ask to know which words to underline for the adverbs of manner. In number 2, you are going to rewrite the paragraph and add an adverb of degree in front of all the adverbs you have picked out. Use one of the adverbs of degree from the box. So the words that you are going to use is very, so, extremely, and really. You will use it, for example, the alarm rang very loudly. When you are done, you can draw a line. Your workbook instructions are as follow. What you must do, you must open the attached Word document and your English Term 2 workbook. You must first write the date and heading like shown on the Word document. You do the classroom activity 1 as I explained, number 1 and 2 in your workbook. Your memorandum will be sent on 4 May so that you can mark your work. You do not have to send me a copy. Hope you enjoy.